So first things first, what you want to do is take this thing off, and we'll need to clean it. Or not. Now we're doing the side air vents. This is the passenger side. The kind that we got that actually form fit over the existing air vent. I like that because if I want to go back to normal, I'm not married to it. They gave us some 3M double-sided sticky tape. I already put the driver one on. It's a bit of a pain to work with. You have to kind of peel the glue off the tape a little bit. Slap it on there. I'll show you how to do it. Why these are so hard to get off. Tell you what, since they're just slide on, I'm not going to mess with this thing anymore or break it or do anything else. I'm just going to give it a good old-fashioned cleaning and not worry about it. The other side, for the driver's side, came off real easy, and we took that off before to put in our air intake system, our high flow from PCS Innovations. But this one seems like it's going to be a pain. It does not want to come out, and quite honestly, I don't want to have to buy a brand new air vent. As we take this 3M tape, like I said, it's a little pain to work with. Get your hands somewhat clean so that glue doesn't get dirty. So you're going to peel it off here like so, just like any other regular tape. I'm going to work it around here. No big deal on that, just try to get the corner. Move all the way down. And you don't want to put it in there crazily hard because you're going to have to come back, and I'll show you. So you want to leave a lift edge there on either side. And this one here I didn't do it, so we'll just do it on this side over here. What you're trying to do, see the glue's starting to come off there? You want to get a good start. So boom, see how the glue's coming off? Once you've gotten a good start, with the rest of the tape you want to reapply pressure so that glue gets stuck on the other side, the side that is going to be on the new air vent cover piece. Now, that glue kind of stays on there, so there's a couple spots. If you see the glue starting to come up on the actual piece, just go back over it again. And then wonderful things like that happen, so you gotta sit there and slowly pick it up. Because you don't want that on there, because that's gonna hinder you from sticking to the stock piece you're gonna put it on. So you got a little bit of a bump there from a corner. So we'll go like this. You may not need all of it, like in that situation. If I don't need all of it, I'll just kind of have it go around. Like I said, always leave a little bit of an edge, because you're going to need to get that glue off of it somehow. And I just kind of rub my fingers together on it, or just peel it up real hard like that. It came for me, perfect. This one's actually a lot easier than the other one. Probably because on the other one I was still learning how to do it. And see, I was trying to bevel on me again. Okay, there we go. That's on there like that. I had a little piece left over. I'll just put it on top here. On the corner there, and I'll just use this. Watch when you're working with this stuff that you don't grab the tape already put on and pull that up. You don't want any major bumps either, like when the glue starts to bind or the tape starts to bind. You don't want that. So you want as smooth as possible on there. And now I'll slap it on. Shut all the paper off. Pretty smooth, pretty good. And our tape is on this side, so I'm trying to push on that as best I can to make sure it's adhering to the stock vent. That thing ain't going nowhere. Ta-da!
And that is beautiful.